Hello everyone, welcome to RO Traders. The visuals that you are watching on the screen is our stainless steel tank manufacturing facility. This unit was located in Hyderabad, Telangana. We are proud to introduce our high quality stainless steel tanks and showcase their outstanding features that make them a top choice for various industries in the country. The SS tanks made at our facility are designed and manufactured to meet the highest industry standards, ensuring durability, efficiency, and safety in your operations. The primary feature of our tanks is premium quality stainless steel. We use SS304 or 316 grade stainless steel to make these tanks. As you all know, stainless steel offers exceptional resistance to corrosion, making our tanks ideal for storing a wide range of liquids including chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and beverages and more. Our tanks come in a variety of sizes and configurations to suit your specific needs. Whether you require a small storage tank for house purposes or a large industrial vessel for industry purposes, we have facility to provide any size as per your need. Our tanks are meticulously designed to ensure easy cleaning and maintenance, meeting the highest hygiene and quality standards, which is the most essential for industries like food and beverages. We understood that every industry has unique requirements on these SS tanks. That's why our tanks can be tailored to meet your exact specifications, whether it's fittings, connections, or capacities. Contact us today to explore our wide range of stainless steel tanks and discover how they can enhance your operations. You can make a call or text on the below given numbers, and also you can mail your requirement to info@aquasafewater.in. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to RO Traders.